drugs. We've sold you the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge for this show. What are we going to see here?
We're going to see some of the most creative flying anywhere in the world with this guy, because he is the current 10-time U.S. National Aerobatics champion, and for 5 consecutive times in the World Aerobatic Championship, he became
new figures that you see flying right in front of you. Why do we
There's the pinwheel. He goes into a spin right out of a Cobra.
Goes to the Rob right. It's this explosive energy that we see with Rob Holland that sets him apart from the competition.
And his athleticism is actually broke one of the rudder pedals and had to have it re-welded in a different manner. This guy pushes an airplane. You know, we talk about flying on the feathered edge. A simple tumble called a dink, and now he does the pinwheel.
We've been talking a lot about it on the way back up. Watch the energy on this next maneuver here, folks. Keep your eyes peeled. There it goes, all the way around. Twisting and turning. How does he do that by himself?
But I can tell you, he never goes into a maneuver without knowing exactly where he'll be on the end of it. Thousands and thousands and thousands. Sets the vertical line, quarter rolls, and outside rolls to the right. Watch him get to 0 airspeed. Gravity's going to win. He does now a forward flip from going backwards. Ladies and gentlemen of Miramar, put your hands together for Rob Holland.
I think it's going to have him talking for a while. Right back here. Sliding it around. And there you go. The torque roll right at show center. This guy can make this torque roll whenever he wants and when he wants. And now we've seen helicopters, but you haven't seen an airplane do what he's about to do. Watch. As Rob Holland sets up his next one. Now keep your eye on the airplane. Slowly tumbles around and comes back down here. Watch this pool. This is the pool right here. Right at show center. Comes up over the top. This big photo finish up. Keep your eyes on it, ladies and gentlemen. Rob Ryder. It is the Hummer. Let's see how long it can hold it right here at show center, folks. Rob Holland. Parallel parking an airplane just like a helicopter. Hanging it on that big propeller right there at show center.
25 seconds right
At
there.
least,
25 seconds. Woo, after the smoke, the first puff.
Gotta love it.
Whoa, that's great.
You know, we talk about being inventive, but he really is.
Rob Holland has been given clearance to land. Now here's
But it's not a landing, is it?
well,
Like we know.
not like we know it.
No, not
Watch
at all.
him. He does a slip first of all.
Yeah, a little slip and then a flat spin.
And oh yeah, he goes into a flat spin. The airplane now is not even flying. It's falling at about 3,000 feet per minute.
Yeah, but this is still the final approach. It's just not like the one you make on the airplane.
No, or a business jet.
No, or a business jet.
Or even with my wife and our RV.
Nope, not intentionally. Keep your eyes on it. Here it is.
Wheels on the ground, on the deck. Up he
Wait a
goes.
minute.
Rolls it over. He says, "Okay, I'll bleed off some energy now."
The Rob Holland slip, flat spin, roll to landing. How about that? All new meaning for the landing roll.
Pretty impressive stuff at the end.